Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. I am Jaxon.
Hello, friends. I am Lina. Nice to meet you.
Today we will speak easy English. Very easy English.
Yes, do not worry. No pressure. No fear.
Today's topic is eating out.
Eating out means eating at a restaurant, eating at a cafe.
We will learn how to talk in a restaurant.
We will learn easy English phrases.
You can speak English. You can do it.
Yes, you can. Slowly. Step by step.
Please relax. Sit comfortably.
Listen carefully. And repeat with us.
Let's start. Restaurant. A restaurant is a place to eat.
Restaurant.
I eat at a restaurant.
We are in a restaurant.
Menu. The menu shows food.
Menu.
Please give me the menu.
I read the menu.
Order. Order means you ask for food.
Order.
I want to order food.
I order rice.
Waiter. A waiter helps you.
Waitress. A waitress helps you.
The waiter is here.
The waitress is kind.
Table. You sit at a table.
Table.
This table is clean. Water. We drink water.
Water.
Can I have water? Food. We eat food.
Food.
Bill. The bill shows the price.
Bill.
Can I have the bill, please?
Price. Price means money.
Delicious. Delicious means very good.
Delicious.
Hungry. I want to eat.
Hungry.
Word 12. Full. I am not hungry now.
Full.
Please. Please is polite.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry. Sorry is polite.
Sorry.
Now let's practice easy phrases. Can I have water?
Can I have rice, please?
I would like tea.
I would like chicken.
How much is this?
How much is the food?
The food is delicious.
Very delicious.
Can I have the bill, please?
Bill, please?
Hello?
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Table for one? Yes. Table for one.
Please sit here.
Thank you. Pause.
Here is the menu.
Thank you. Can I have water, please?
Yes, here you go.
I would like rice.
Rice? Okay.
And chicken, please.
Chicken. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What would you like?
I would like noodles.
Noodles. Good choice.
Can I have tea, please?
Yes, of course. Here is your food.
Thank you. The food is delicious.
I'm happy.
Can I have the bill, please?
Yes.
Now it's your turn.
Please answer slowly.
Are you hungry?
Yes or no.
Fill in the blank. Can I have blank, please?
Say this. I would like water.
Role play. You are the customer.
Say, can I have rice, please?
Let's repeat.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Menu.
Menu.
Order.
Order.
Can I have?
Can I have?
I would like.
I would like.
The food is delicious.
The food is delicious.
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please? You did a great job.
Yes, very good.
Practice every day.
Small steps are okay.
Comment below.
What food do you like?
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.